Okay, everybody, I promised you that I would give you a sneak peek of the open house, and I have been crazy busy today, so I have not even had time to fix my face. So I'm just going to show you the stuff, which is what you are interested in anyway. So this is my table. I will show you, up close and personal, but as you can see, there are a whole lot of stuff. And every year I tell myself I will simplify, and I never do. So, this is my thought. This over here is sort of my preteen, teen, fun, youngish, bright colors, that kind of thing. We've got the mini essential brush set. I made little lollipops out of the individual masking pads. The sticks are the mask applicators. Too cute for words, I know. I've got different ornaments that I can put anything in, or anything in the ornament. But this is the lip balm that, the pH lip balm. This is one of the little compacts. So just pretty much anything that you tell me what your budget is, I can make it cute. I've got the Mint Bliss, the foot and leg treatment with the free fuzzy socks. This one is in a hot cold cup. I've got a lot of versions of this. This one over here, I've got some fun decals that can go on like a laptop or a phone case or something. Up here, I've got the different hand cream and lip balm sets. They are sold out. I've got 2 of each except the coconut mousse. I only have 1. So we need to claim those quickly. This Oh So Cute is my favorite fragrance. It sold for $36 and I've got it on sale for $24, I think. We've got the mini little sponges. I gotta get back and fix that. I've got some previous limited edition things just kind of stuck in there, here and there. I've got all kinds of fun headbands that if you purchase the masking pod gift set, that you get a free headband to choose from. My cat's at the door driving me crazy. And now we're moving on to the big girl area. Okay. This, I just have like some stuff spread out for people to try. I'll have, samples if you're able to come. If you want me to mail samples, that's fine too. I basically just kind of show you ideas. Most people shop for themselves when they come, which is fine. But if you see something like, oh, that, makes a fun, cute gift, there are really lots of stocking stuffer ideas, things for people at work, things for moms, mother-in-laws, that kind of thing. I've got a few, kind of cutesy, kind of cheesy, depending on how you look at it, things. This is cute. You got to tell me. This is my little wash tub. You get it? It's like a wash tub with little bubbles. And then this is the fragrance-free hand soap that we made. This is only $10. And this is just a super cute gift. I can put it in a cello bag and some raffia. I can do whatever you want. Here's my little snow globe that I made. Here's a version of it with a mascara and an oil-free eye makeup remover. This is too cute for words. This is a mailbox. Hello. And I've got 4 of them. This has like a satin lips, and then I'm including, if you would, well, I don't want to screw it up. Anyway, there's like a mini set of, I think it's 5 of the new lip glosses. And then this guy back here, this is the Mint Bliss leg and whatever, foot and leg treatment. We've changed the name of it a couple times. Anyway, it's that in the box with like a wrap around it. And then I made the hat out of the socks. So, I have some time on my hands apparently. Oh, I don't know. I've got all kinds of deals. I just reposted a couple of things to, help everybody keep track. One of them is if you spend $45 on brushes, any kind of brushes, because they're available individually, you can buy a brush set, but you can get a free, this is a really nice one. I know there's all kinds of cheapy ones at the dollar store and stuff, but this is a real nice heavy one. You can either get the free brush holder or you can get a pouch for your brushes. And I've just put some fun things together with the skincare sets, just reminding you how important your skincare is, always. Over here, more of the little wash tub tins. As you can see, I really thought that was a cute idea. This one is I thought this would be cute. I'm picturing, a satin hands in the kitchen. And so then I thought, for a baker, how we could have like some cute little spatulas, and I've got some little cookie cutters in here. And I could fancy that up. We could put some, like a little baking mix or whatever. I mean, I got ideas like crazy. This is my more colorful table. Every year, I put together some satin hands with different gloves. I've got maybe 4 or 5 different pairs of gloves. This is charcoal in your coal in your stocking. Yuck, yuck, yuck. And I'm waiting on some of my equipment to put together my what we call the snowman soup. This one looks kind of pathetic. I'm waiting on more cello bags and some nicer, fancier foo-foo. But what this is just usually a cute little mug, a hand cream. This is a spoon that's a peppermint stick, and then like a fancy hot cocoa and some marshmallows and some chocolates and that kind of thing. So it's just a cute little, like a teacher gift. This is another adaptation of my kitchen satin hands. And then this is just the satin hands that I just put pretty stuff in. This is so cute. This is if you buy the sunscreen and the subtle tanning lotion, you get the lip protector and this cute pouch free. I've got tons of freebies. Like buy this, get this. This is the men's limited edition hair and body wash. Okay, I don't want to make you dizzy, but we got to turn around. Going over here a minute. If you want to purchase like skincare sets, I always have some kind of a big tub or tote or carrier or basket or something, and either washcloths or hand towels. You can, of course, buy them individually, but if you care to put it together like a big set, and then I can shrink wrap it if you like to do that with a big ribbon on it. A few more things. I'm going to do buy 2, get 1 half price on the Mary Kay Naturally line. I think we've got another snowman over here. They are cute, aren't they? I go back and forth. Sometimes I'm like, I see myself getting old person taste. But they are cute. And then this one's just a fun little tin that afterward, you could put a candle in or something. So I just like to add things that, just add to the value of the gift without tacking anything onto the price. Just a little something for you. And then I made a different snow globe. It fell apart, so at the last minute I just threw those things in there. So anyway, I've just got lots of fun stuff for you to look at. We can come up with ideas together. We'll come over here and look at the discount basket. But I'm going to wait and post the prices because I don't want everybody flipping out. I don't need any fighting. No pushing and shoving. But we are going to have some really good deals coming up. These are all the previous lip glosses. So you've got lots to look forward to because you can use your reward points. You can get lots of freebies. You can double your reward points if you choose to apply them toward it's way over here. Can I zoom from here? The 12 days of faves. Double your reward points if you want to apply it to that. Okay? So much to look at, so much to think about. We will be posting and talking more, but I promise you a peek. So there you go. Have a great weekend.